Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to install a new steering wheel on a BMW E28 or E30. Now this is a 1987 528E. Alright, so you're going to need the steering wheel, you're going to need a 22mm on a ratchet, and then also, since I have my toolkit in here, the back of the 528, you can get a flathead screwdriver. Take your flathead, put it in here, and you pull off the logo. Came off. Now you're going to need your socket to go on that. Right, my ratchet. Alright. Screw this off. Alright, now that's off. Put that somewhere so you remember where it is. Alright. There you go, came right off. Make sure you want to have both of these. That's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to install the 535 wheel, which is basically the same as the M-Tech. Similar. Not exactly the same, but works like an M-Tech. Installed here. Make sure the connections are good. I want to take this washer and put it back in the center. Hold it in. Alright. Next step. Get this going on here. Key out. Alright, now you're going to want to tighten this back up. Alright, it's now installed. Put this cap back on, just kind of goes right on. You're good to go.